So we're gonna say, welcome to our YouTube channel.
But what's the name of it gonna be? Like, what's this little cookie segment?
The segment, I don't know. Something catchy, like two bitches in the kitchen.
Okay, we'll say two bitches in the kitchen, and you turn around and you do a little twerk.
Okay.
You stupid.
I got that. Oh, bitch.
All right. Okay, it's not recording this.
It is.
Oh, it is. We're gonna cut that part out. They have them thinking we dirty. we're gonna cut that out. Alright, hi, welcome to our That was 2 words. What's up, and welcome to our I gotta stop laughing. Bitch, we got the cake by the onions. We finna have an onion cake.
It's gonna be good, I guarantee you. It's gonna be good. Alright. Hey y'all, welcome to our channel. It's Nick here. I'm here with Gosh! Hey, we is recording.
Ain't it? You want me to whoop your butt?
Woo!
We don't condone violence,
but we whoop ass.
Amen. Amen.
Alright.
They
finna go upstairs.
And take 6.
What the fuck they talking about?
Is he saying dear or damn?
But not be that damn bitch.
Oh, they talking about brain rot.
Oh, brain rot. Brain rot.
I'm so sick of that shit.
Brain rot. Brain rot.
Strawberry elephant?
How'd you know?
Amy. Okay. What's up, you guys? Welcome to our channel.
Hey.
Two bitches in the kitchen.
Two bitches in the kitchen.
What a whipping.
So, tonight, we making a whole bunch of stuff, okay?
Yeah.
We got this goddamn little strawberry situation going on here.
Mm-hmm. Got some mozzarella sticks, homemade. We can lie a little bit.
Okay. I'm making little turkey burgers over here. Frying a little bit of chicken.
Mm-hmm.
French fries. Not homemade. I think that's it. What else? Oh, we got a little ice cream to go with the strawberry situation.
Amen.
And yeah. Finna get to it. I said it brown a little bit. Who?
For the natural mother house?
Ask who?
Yeah.
Your mic on? Huh? Who? Go ahead.
You mic'd up.
We is mic'd up, but questions when? Yeah. Ow!
Oh no!
I got burnt.
No. let me take it out.
I got burnt.
Give us some butter. You gotta put butter on it. So it don't really blister up.
That shit gone.
Damn, look at the chocolate.
Oh!
How
the fuck?
Let me see your hand.
Those shit's not even.
It's on my arm. Yup. Goddamn. Big mama house. Alright. What the heck?
Y'all need to cut this.
What? We need to what?
Cut it.
Cut what?
Cut the butter piece.
No.
Oh Lord. Let's just take the piece of it. What it tastes like.
We gonna cut in that bitch. We gonna see. I don't know how that got like that.
Damn.
You can't cook. Who can? Wow. You gonna have to cut this bitch open because it's pink on the inside. You're brown at the top. Pink on the inside.
One in pink, one in the
Go
pink.
ahead, baby. Wait a damn minute. Let's see.
You hear the crisp?
Yeah. We got this going on right here.
Mm-hmm. Why the fuck I cut it?
I don't know. Fuck it.
Fuck it, we ball.
Fuck it, we ball. Mm-hmm. So let her out.
Mmm.
That be moist.
Moist.
That be
Wet as fuck. Wet. I can't wait to eat that shit. I don't know.
We finna taste it right now before we make the extra strawberry situation. If I extra strawberry situation.
Let me get you a spoon.
Like, all right, you ready?
Taste test.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Oh, you want some?
It's good.
You didn't even taste it yet.
I
so it's
did.
good. Oh.
I couldn't wait. Smells like strawberries. 10 out of 10 for the smell. Goddamn. Tenderism.
Tenderism.
Two bitches in the kitchen.
I want one from me and my brother. And Cal. Yes.
Two bitches in the kitchen. We making this shit work. You feel me?
Just wait till we make the glaze.
What they talking about? Burnt where?
Ain't it? This is a pound cake. A strawberry pound cake.
Pound.
Cake.
Pound cake. This is a cookie right here, ain't it?
Taste that. Oh my damn.
Oh my damn.
Tender.
Hello? I can't even see. I'm trying to see. I can't see because I ain't got my glasses on. Man, hold on. Yeah.
Courtney, come on, taste this.
Babe, get your ass up.
Ain't it?
Foot picked up.
Ain't it? Come taste.
Where is that?
Right. What's what? The tequila? Hey, stop playing. You probably too tall. You probably not even in the camera. Oh, the cookie down here. Take some of take cookie.
She was all hoopla now.
Where?
You alright?
Can you get another strawberry?
Oh my goodness.
Can you get another strawberry?
No, that's for the